Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy tutorial on how you can make an About Us page on Shopify. So first, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account. Go to your admin page. From here, click on Online Store. Then click on Pages. Now simply click this button, Add Page. Alright, so let's start from the title. It's your About Us page, so you can put About Us, About Me, whatever applies to you. But I would like to use my store name, so I would say About Kitty Cat Corner. Now, here on the content section, you can add an image, a video, but for me, I'll add an image. Our sample store for today's video is a cat pet store, so our sample content will be all about cat products. So I got a free image online to use, and just to add it, you click Insert Image. All right, so that's our image. You can actually change the size by double clicking it and then make it center and just edit image. So this is the photo I've chosen. Now it can be your store's logo or any related image about your store. Now, right after your image, when you scroll down a little bit, this part is where you can add details about your store. It can be like a mission and vision. You can even add name and photos of your admin staff. It would really depend on how you want to come across to your dear customers. Now, for my About Us page, I have used a free AI to write it for me, just for this example. You can also do that if you want to. So let me just go ahead and copy and paste it. From here, you can freely explore what other editing you can do here. You can also edit your website SEO. You can change the page title or the URL and even the description. And then if you're good to go, then click Save. And then you can click View Page to see how it looks. And this is what it looks like, and it's done. We've just added our About Us page on Shopify. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.